After I learned how to make it, I stopped buying it from the grocery store. Start by cutting half a small cabbage. Chop it into thin strips, just like this, and set aside. Next, cut one red onion. Cut it in half, then in half again, and finally into thin strips. And also set aside. Next, cut half a small red cabbage. Chop it into thin strips, then into smaller pieces. Now, cut half a yellow bell pepper. Cut it into strips, then chop it into small cubes. Next, cut one tomato into strips, then chop it into small cubes. Also cut one green apple. Remove the core, cut it into strips, then chop it into smaller pieces. And set aside. Cut one small cucumber. Cut it in half again, then chop it into smaller pieces. Finally, grate one medium carrot and set aside. Next, in a medium bowl, add 4 tablespoons of table cream, 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise, 1 tablespoon of mustard, 3 garlic cloves chopped into small cubes, and mix until combined. Take this time to share this video and write in the comment section the name of the city from which you're watching it, and we'll make sure to leave a heart especially for you. Oh, and thanks for sharing this video. This is the right mix. To arrange our salad in a large baking dish, place the cabbage strips, all the onion strips, the chopped yellow pepper, the chopped tomato, the red cabbage strips, the chopped cucumber, the chopped green apple, and the grated carrot. Season with 1 pinch of salt, 1 pinch of black pepper, and add the dressing we prepared earlier. Mix until incorporated into the salad. I hope you're enjoying the recipe. Share it with your friends. By doing so, you'll be helping us go even further. This is the right mix. That recipe is ready. You may now serve and enjoy it. I hope you like this recipe. Now I'll head to the comment section and leave a heart to everyone who left the name of their city. See you next recipe. Bye-bye.